Do you have questions on how to beat this porn habit for good? I'm Dr. Trish Leigh. I am here for you, and I am going to do my first YouTube Live so I can answer your questions. In all honesty, I don't even know how to do YouTube Live, so there might be a little bit of a learning curve, but I'm down for it. So next Tuesday night, I will be on YouTube Live at 7:30 p.m. I will answer any of the questions that you throw at me, and we will spitball and we will go from there to get your questions answered in the real-time live moment. So just to head you up to, I have another YouTube channel on ADHD, anxiety, brain-based challenges, gaming addiction. So on that channel, which is Dr. Trish Leigh, I am hosting a webinar at 7 p.m. So for the webinar, it's on home neurofeedback and home brain mapping and how it can work to help you. If you're interested in joining me for that webinar, jump over to that channel and you can sign up for the webinar at the link. But if you want your questions answered, join me back on this channel at 7:30 and we will do it. Okay, I'm looking forward to it. Exciting times. I'll see you next Tuesday night live. And remember, control your brain or it'll control you.